Let's get started building your lesson plans. Once you're logged into your account, you come to the My Account page. From here, click Go to My Digital Lesson Plans. You have three options. You can choose the current theme, search for a different theme, or customize your own lesson plans. The most convenient way to build lesson plans is to use the current theme. Just click Go, choose your age group, click Go again, and your lesson plans are ready to use. These are your weekly lesson plans. To see the details for activities, click on the day of the week or click on an activity title. At a glance, you can see that we include FunShine indicators, a materials list, and instructions for completing the activity. Every activity in FunShine follows this same format. Did you know you can have your state standards listed in your lesson plan? Let me show you how. Click My Account, then click Manage My Calendar Preferences. Then select your state from the drop-down and click Save. If you don't see your state, check back soon. We add and update state standards regularly. Be sure to watch our other tutorials about using other features in FunShine Digital. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.